Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of AI Intersection. Today's video, I'm going to be discussing how you can use engineered templates to produce high quality and consistent outputs from your AI system. So, what you're looking at right now is I'm working on this new article. This article is called "The Five Best AI Video Upscaling Softwares for 2023," and in this one, I have one called DVD Fab, which I did a little blurb about, did pros and cons, and I'm going to the pricing section. Now, the pricing section is a little bare. I wanted to include. I need to include some details about what's included for different plans and that kind of stuff, and break it down. Now, when I go to um, the actual website for DVD Fab, it's honestly very confusing. There's the doesn't really make sense. It's a lot of different things it talks about here. A little complicated. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to simplify this down. We want to consolidate it and make an easy read for this article, because this is just meant to be a brief overview. You can see here I've already done this for a couple of other items, like this, the pricing for F Pixop. I also did pricing for DaVinci Resolve, which DaVinci Resolve itself was very complicated. It's very hard to find the right pricing and information on this. I was able to do this using my template. So I'm going to show you guys the process. So again, how I've done this. I've done this in other videos, but this is how you use a engineered prompt template to produce consistent, reliable outputs from your AI system. So you can see here right now, this pricing section here needs to be updated. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to be using a template that I created. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to my prompt library, and I've got this template here. And this template simply says, I need you to simplify and or update slash correct this. This is the section that needs to be updated with this information. What information? This information here. Okay. Taken from this URL. And it says, for any packages, list them in an unordered list, shorten them down to a single bullet point for each using this format. And this is the format I'll be using. I wanted to return the content name, the name of the program, offers several pricing options, bullet point, plan name, detail one, detail two, etc. And I want it to embolden the plan name. Okay, so I'm going to take this, Control All, and I'm going to copy this over to uh, my chat. So let's paste this in here. So now all I need to do is fill in the details. So I need you to simplify and update this information. What information do we want to update? Let's go back to our document, which, by the way, I'm using Jasper. If you want to get access to Jasper, please use the link in the description below. Um, the, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this out. Pricing. I'm going to copy this whole section. Copy. I'm going to go back to my chat. I'm going to replace this here with this. Control V. Okay. And then it's going to say with this information. Now, I could add more, I could paste in the information if I wanted to here, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to go ahead and just take this out. I'm going to, with this information taken from this URL. So I found information on DFAB, this pricing page. I'm just going to copy this and see what it comes up with. I'm pretty sure this is what we want. So I'm just going to take this and replace this little placeholder I have here for the for the URL. It's a little hard to do this for this little section here, but that's fine. So we're going to take this out, replace this. So with information taken from this URL, for any packages, list them in an unordered list, shorten them down to a single bullet point for each using this format. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit send and see what it returns. And this should, so now it's going to browse the website to look for the information that I'm looking for. And hopefully we'll get a lot better detail on this list. It should include some details about the plans for each bullet point. So let's see what it says here. reading content failed. I had a feeling it was going to have some content failures on this page just because of the way it's formatted. Um, so what it's doing right now is it's reading through this entire URL. I might have to use a different URL, but I think this pretty much has a good summary of everything on it. So we're going to see what it says. Okay, so here's an updated version of the text provided, taking into account the new price information on the DVD Fab website. DVD Fab and larger AI offers several pricing options. Okay, 1 month plan, and now look, 1 month plan pricing, and it has details about what it includes now. Includes unlimited video conversions, access to all features. 1 year plan includes video conversions, access to all features, and lifetime. So, some of that's redundant, but that's okay. That makes it look a lot nicer. Now I can go back to my document, and I'm just going to take that out, and I'm going to paste this here, and that should look a lot nicer. Sweet. So that looks a lot better. Now, normally whenever I put in new content from my AI system, I'm going to you always want to go through, check it. You can come through here and just check. What I like to do is I come through here, copy this out. I like to put this into Hemingway's first of all. So Hemingway's lets me just check it for readability. It's got a ninth grade reading level, which I like. And then I like to also take it into undetectable AI and just do this, just to check to see if it's written. So it looks like it's been officially being recognized as written by AI. So I want to go through and clean this up and make it work a little nicer. So 1 month plan includes unlimited. So I can take this and looks like all plans include unlimited conversions and all features. So we're just going to say, I'm going to take this. I'm just going to say, uh, all plans include unlimited video conversions and access to all features. Okay. So that's how you can get your consistent results. Um, Something like that. That just shows you the kind of stuff that you can do with this. By using a template, you can kind of structure your results that you get back, and it can really help you improve the quality and consistency of your work. So now I can just take this to undetectable as well. Uh-oh, I accidentally copied that. And then we're going to go ahead and go here and Control V, and let's go ahead and just check for AI. And there we go, we're good. So take this and place this here, and that looks good. So not the best example because this particular one had some customization to do, but you could do that pretty much anything you're doing just by creating a structure of the results you want to get back, feeding information into a specific format, and then letting it kick it out back out to you in output. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you need help with AI development, prompt engineering, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help however I can. Thank you.